bears, Sasquatch.
What's the state tree here?
I don't know.
Oh my god, like the state tree place. Oh, look, you driving down that.
State tree place. Yeah, let's go. Let's take them out. No, they're on the other trail. No, it said no dogs, no biking, no jogging. Oh, the seasonal trail is closed. Why? The water's down. Usually that's a lake.
Woo! There's like some stuff I want to swim in when I used to live in Georgia. You go tubing down it and stuff.
Yeah, you can kayak in it. Same river, I think, that goes into the bridge. What?
What's in my tummy?
What's wrong with your tummy?
All that food. Let me have a sip of water, baby.
It's like what? Avatar. It's not like Avatar, it's like the Ewoks. Yeah, Star Wars indoor. Or is it Yavin 4? No, that's indoor. The battle's over Yavin 4 and the other one. Which way you guys want to go? Ridge top overlook or wetland observation?
Deep green. We want to go this way. Deep green.
Whoa, this looks like fun. What, Mama?
You?
Yeah.
Well, this is some fun.
No, this looks like fun.
Yeah, I'm going to go up the hill.
We're gonna look over the...
I love these like trees that look like spiders out here.
Those ones?
No, these right here. See how
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's those. There's some other ones that look like Dr. Seuss.
Oh, the manicured ones over there by Fred's. They're cute. They're like bonsai trees.
Oh, nice. Dang.
Is it steep, Daddy?
It's like Jurassic Park over here.
Jurassic Park. I think it drops down more on this side over here than it does this side. Okay. electrocute them. You can touch them and they'll close up.
Now you gotta take
You do it
current.
slow.
You can
Oh,
use
I
the
see
lighter or
it.
something hot.
Problem's doing that right there.
Yeah, if you touch it, it'll close.
I like that. Well, maybe.
That one might just break.
Close it.
Watch
Look,
this.
it turned a different color green. They're curling up. Look at them curl up. I made it retarded. Made it feel good.
Okay.
Sit right here, baby. Sit down right here. I'm gonna get a picture. Maybe just sit in the sunlight. See the sunlight side. Sit in the sunlight just for a second. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on, baby. Smile, cheese, crush legs. Crush legs.
We go this way or that way?
Oh, I was gonna play. Oh, that was so bright in my eyeball.
What?
Was it?
Something so crazy
So
for that.
what's
Did you
that?
see that Captain Kirk he just did? He went.
What?
Gonna study something.
Okay.
Daddy.
Good. Hey, no stomping. This is Mother Nature's house.
What?
Yeah. Talk to me like that every time I was in your house? I'll tell you a thing or two about chaos magic right now. Oh, oh wait, what is that? No, that's just a plant. Yeah, I don't know what kind of fish are out here either. I think Alaskan cod, catfish. Salmon, probably. Salmon. Salmon, yeah. Oh, what's up here? Oh.
Where are we going?
Dang, this is pretty. Maybe.
Pretty.
Pretty. Look at that tree. Come, it's like a lightning bolt. Greenery. Vaporwave. Oh, pterodactyl feet. Damn. Platypus aren't real. What? Industry right there. Right across the way. Houses. Highway. farmland.
I'm on the wetlands.
Yeah, but you see some hills and sky
Yeah.
is pretty big.
Yeah,
That's
sky.
up and up.
Yeah, that is big sky.
Is that a swift? Oh no, a stoop. Oh no, a falcon. Persian falcon. Say, Wes Anderson movie.